something unprecedented, never before seen, has happened on the side of the park in Tanzania. This is the Ngorongoro Conservation Area. Yeah, we all know that animals wander freely from the Tanzanian side to the Kenyan side, the Masai Mara place. And something just out of the ordinary has happened, which has puzzled experts, lion experts, animal experts. They are completely puzzled. They don't know what to make out of it. Actually, what has happened is that a lioness has adopted a leopard cub. Now, for those who don't know, a leopard cub is one of the favorite meals of a lion. Okay, normally they attack leopards, they attack cheetahs, and they normally feed on the cubs. Okay, but here is a situation where a lioness instead has adopted a leopard cub, protecting it from other lions. Yeah, the baby cub even suckles from this lioness. Yes, and it's just properly looked after. Now, in the next part of this recording, I'll tell you what this sign means for Kenyans. But for now, let's just focus on what is happening. Now, this is a very similar incident happened in the year 2012. Okay? Correction there, not 2012, 2002. Yes? A very similar incident happened in 2002 where a lioness adopted an oryx. You know? This is normally prime steak, you know? Prime food for a lion, yeah? Very, very succulent, very sweet, very tasty for a lion. Okay? But this lioness ended up adopting a baby oryx. What would ordinarily be a very tasty meal became a cared for baby. Yeah? And this lion cared a lot for this oryx. What even puzzled experts more was that this lion actually allowed the mother of this oryx to feed it. Yeah, the lion would actually allow the mother to feed it, and then immediately feeding was over, or immediately the lion thought the baby had had enough, they would chase away the mother. Okay, really amazing stuff, never before seen. Now we're having a similar scenario which is unfolding. Now there's a lion expert called Dr. Luke Hunter. Yeah, he's President and Chief Conservation Officer of Panthera, a global wildcat conservation organization. And he says this has never been seen before. He has never actually heard of anything like this. He's totally baffled. Yeah? And what is even more interesting is that this lioness has cubs of her own, which she keeps safely as she goes to feed her other adopted leopard cub. Really, really unique. Yeah? Some people have said this is a once-in-a-lifetime sight. Yeah, so the photographs you're seeing on your screens right now, just know you're seeing something that normally is not seen, maybe in even 2 lifetimes. Yeah, it's extremely unique, and experts are puzzled. Now, when experts are puzzled, then you know the world is puzzled, yeah? Because those are the people you look up to for an explanation, and if they don't have an explanation, then who can have an explanation? Apart from maybe God Almighty himself, yeah? Now, in the next part of this recording, I'm going to give you an interpretation of what it means in a spiritual, what it means spiritually, yeah? That should be very interesting, so make sure you catch it. This is Chris Kumekuja. See you there in a bit.